Hitech Circuits takes an extra step compared with other assembly services to verify that the values of incoming components match the values on the customer bill of materials. We take samples and confirm the values of all passive components to make certain the parts indicated on the BOM are the correct parts, whether they're provided by you or our suppliers. This extra step avoids component assembly errors and consequent debugging delays, saving you time and money. Hitech Circuits specializes in the quick-turn manufacture and assembly of prototype PCB. Get a quote for your assembly job today at hitechpcb.com. Hitech Circuits develops a custom thermal profile for solder reflow that is unique for every PCB we assemble. We developed the profile for each board by attaching thermocouples to areas that will be most prone to absorb heat. We then send the samples through the reflow oven and record the temperatures at each selected area with respect to time. We upload the data and use our profiling software to optimize the reflow oven for ramped up, steady state, and cool down for that job. This special attention to the individual characteristics of each job ensures solder joint reliability. We are a one-stop shop. We provide the complete range of PCB manufacturing services, from design assistance in fabricating bare boards to procuring all required components and performing your assembly. We guarantee a hassle-free, quick-turn delivery of your prototypes that saves you time and money. Learn more about our assembly services at hitechpcb.com. Hitech Circuits state-of-the-art Dega 3D X-ray machines incorporate rotating cameras that allow us to view solder joints from all angles. They enable our inspection of the solder joints at individual BGA balls from the side as well as from the bottom up. Beyond X-ray validation of all leadless device connections, every board is scrutinized by an automated optical inspection equipment to verify the correct placement and orientation of all components. Our stringent quality controls result in high reliability products. Hitech Circuits specializes in the quick-turn manufacture and assembly of prototype PCBs. We are a one-stop shop. We provide the complete range of PCB manufacturing services, from design assistance and fabricating bare boards to procuring all required components and performing your assembly. We guarantee a hassle-free, quick-turn delivery of your prototypes that saves you time